Hey, Chris here and Fancy, and we are going to work on the Springer Spaniel front foot. So let's tighten her down here so we can see what we're doing. All right, first things we got to talk about are, when you clip the pads, you got to be really careful not to make a hole there where the pads come together. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Come on, Fancy Pants. We're going to take that paw and see this hair that's right here? You want to leave that on each side. The only hair you want to take out is right in the center, and I'll actually take my thumb so that I block myself from catching that, and the same thing on this side. You get the stuff that's down inside that can get rocks and everything buried in it, but you leave the stuff on the sides so that you get a nice compact but foot that's all kind of one. You don't want to cut it off. We're going to take and comb all this coat down, pull the hair between the toes, then kind of comb it out of the toes. And we're going to lay our scissors right on the edge of the pad. Now you want to be very careful not to make wedgie feet. On Springers, it's okay if you show a little toenail, because it's more important to make the foot look extremely small and tight. Okay, and what happens a lot of times, their toenails are a little long or their feet are more oval than round. So what you want to do is not go tight to the toes underneath. What you want to do is come tighter to the toes on the top and push that all back. Stop. Good girl. You're a good girl. Okay. And the same thing, see, you don't see any holes here. If you went too far up, you'd have a big hole here. Then you're going to take and push all this coat up between the toes. Not a lot left. And you're going to tighten this up. And a lot of times, I'll hit it the first time with the scissor across the toes to shorten up that foot. But then I'll come back with my blending shears and tighten it up. Now, I don't go flat hard on top. It's more in the front and just blending at the top, because the higher you make the arch in the toe here, the smaller the foot's going to look. If you take it really tight on top, you're going to flatten that foot right out, and her feet are already a little flat. So that is the Springer Spaniel front foot. The only thing that I would do more is tidy up the sides of the foot. A lot of times they grow those funny little porcupine hairs. That's it. The Springer foot. Thanks.